Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, hi, hello, welcome. My name is Blessing. To my old subscribers, thanks for stopping by once again. God bless you. So today I'll be running a few errands, like I'll be going to the store, cooking and then cleaning. So stay tuned guys, let's do that together. Thank you so much for your support. I really appreciate. If you have not subscribed, please consider subscribing. It means a lot to me. Thank you so much.
And it makes me happy, then it makes me sad. And I don't know why I always compare myself like that. I'm no icon, but I'm not that bad. Sometimes it's hard to accept where I'm at. Lately I get down on myself all the time, wishing I could change most of the thoughts in my mind. Caring way too much about the people I don't like, watching all the best parts of their life. Now my anxiety is getting the best of me, 'cause I'm starting to believe everything I see. And it makes me happy, then it makes me sad. And I don't know why I always compare myself like that. I'm no icon, but I'm not that bad. Sometimes it's hard to accept where I'm at. Maybe it's instant gratification, know what I'm saying, all the things on my screen.
So guys, this is all that I bought. This is all that I got from the store. Is on 44 euro 97 cents. So I paid 30 euro with cash and 14 euro 97 with card. So everything here is 44 euro 94 cents. Like, oh my god. So guys, look at what I found. In this is what I found in the store. This is grilled corn, salted corn. So guys, it's time for my kids to take their lunch and they're having rice and stew for their lunch. So I'll just feed them and then they will take their siesta. So I'll have enough time to clean and do my house chores. And here's her trying to feed herself.
Kitty bouncing, Yeah. Look at her style from the street. Look at her style from the ghetto. This I will never make it big. Me, I tell them say I don't know. Look at me, I style from the street. Look at me, I style from the ghetto. This I will never make it big. Me, I tell them say me go on my knees to the Calvary tree. Me I pray. Me telling God everything me I need. Me I tell the God make they bless me still. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Cause if I no get all these people who go laugh at me. All these people go use me play. Make God they bless me and my family. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Aye. Nobody feel be somebody. Somebody feel be nobody. Never look down or no. Aye. Nobody feel be somebody. Somebody feel be nobody. Never look down or no. Me I make us on a low. Me I wanna turn up on a low. Me I wanna. And it makes me happy, then it makes me sad. And I don't know why I always compare myself like that. I'm no icon, but I'm not that bad. Sometimes it's hard to accept where I'm at. Lately I get down on myself all the time, wishing I could change most of the thoughts in my mind. Caring way too much about the people I don't like, watching all the best parts of their life. Now my anxiety is getting the best of me, 'cause I'm starting to believe everything I see. And it makes me happy, then it makes me sad. And I don't know why I always compare myself like that. I'm no icon, but I'm not that bad. Sometimes it's hard to accept where I'm at. Maybe it's instant gratification, know what I'm saying? All the things on my screen that I see that don't mean anything, but it makes me happy, then it makes me sad. Oh, when it makes me sad. Tell myself that I'm doing fine when I know I am nowhere near where I thought I would go. Seems like everyone has a map to this road. All my deepest fears are of the unknown. Now my anxiety is getting the best of me, 'cause I'm starting to believe everything I see. And it makes me happy, then it makes me sad. And I don't know why I always compare myself like that.
So guys, I'm done cleaning. It's time for me to make dinner. I'll be making ogbono soup today. So this is what I'm going to be using. I have my mushroom, my crayfish and pepper blend, my palm oil, salt, seasoning cube, and stockfish or okporoko, and blended ogbono and goat's meat. So guys, here is my protein. I have goat's meat, stockfish, and mackerel fish. So those want to cook, and the goat meat is already pre-cooked, but it's not done. So I just added a little bit of water and then added my mackerel fish so that it can cook for a bit. And about the water, don't worry, I'm making soup with goat meat, so I need the goat meat to be soft for my kids, and also my kids can eat thick soup. So just make the soup a bit more watery for them to be easier for them to eat.
Kitty bouncing, yeah. Look at her style from the street. Look at her style from the ghetto. This I will never make it big. Me, I tell them say, oh no. Look at me, I style from the street. Look at me, I style from the ghetto. This I will never make it big. Me, I tell them say, oh. Me go on my knees to the Calvary tree, me I pray. Me telling God everything me I need. Me I tell the God make they bless me still, yeah, yeah, yeah. Cause if I no get all these people go laugh at me. All these people go use me play. Make God they bless me and my family, yeah, yeah, yeah. Aye, nobody fi be somebody. Somebody fi be nobody. Never look down or no. Aye, nobody fi be somebody. Somebody fi be nobody. Never look down or no. But me I make us on a low, on a low. Me I wanna turn up on a low, on a low. Me I wanna get to the door, me I wanna shine on the low, on the low. Me I wanna turn up on the low, on the low. Me I wanna shine on the low, on the low. Me I wanna get to the door, get to the door. Me I wanna turn up on the low, on the low. Damn, wish my eyes don't see. Me I know feet talk on. Me I know feet and I'm yeah. Damn, wish my eyes don't see. Me I know feet talk on. Me I know feet and I'm yeah. They say money never needs your upon vanity. If you know to get in a calamity, brother, this life in a spirituality, yeah. They say money never needs your upon vanity. If you know to get in a calamity, brother, this life in a spirituality, yeah. Aye, nobody fi be somebody. Somebody fi be nobody. Never look down or no. Aye, nobody fi be somebody. Somebody fi be nobody. Never look down or no. But me I make us on the low, on the low. Me I wanna turn up on the low, on the low. Me I wanna get to the door, me I wanna shine on the low, on the low. Me I wanna turn up on the low, on the low. Me I wanna shine on the low, on the low. Me I wanna get to the door, get to the door. Me I wanna turn up on the low, on the low.
Kristen Sounds.
So guys, here's the final result of the soup. Sorry that the soup is empty. I ran out of bitter leaf while I was making the soup. So I couldn't buy anyone at that moment. I had to make use of what I have at home. So hope you like this video. Hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed making it. Please don't forget to subscribe if you have not. Like, comment, and share. Thank you so much for stopping by once again.